Dave here at Rousseau's RV Center in Lakeville, Mass. Today we're going to be looking at a 2021 Geo Pro 19 FDS. This is a new floor plan for 2021. This is a Murphy bed with a slide room. This is a kitchen slide and a large bathroom in the back. Great couples trailer. We're going to be checking it out with our friend Derek today. All right, let's go. So we got this with the option of the front bike carrier that holds 2 bikes. On the FDS as well as the 19 FD, you have the option for the front windshield. You can get it without the windshield. It's just a plain white cap, but much more popular to go with the windshield. Standard front power jack, 20-pound bottles, 2 of them. Also have a battery hooked up there, but there's room for two batteries. We got our Deep Cycle Interstate RV Marine battery. This particular unit, with the options it has, came in at 3423, 20 feet 2 inches overall. That's from the tip of the hitch to the back wall. All right, Derek, you want to just open up some of these compartments, just see what kind of storage space we have. So a little bit of storage, not a huge amount. This is very similar to what you'd find in the 19 FD. Actually, probably exactly the same, because it's the same kind of front configuration. Then you have the pass-through storage under the sofa. That's the griddle inside the box. There is the additional storage on this model. Not a ton of room here. A little bit of height, probably 2 feet tall. Goes back about 10 inches for storage. You have your sewer hookups, gray and black tank, and your electrical outlet, or the electrical 30 amp plug right there. Thanks, Eric. Water hookups near the ladder. You got your city water, you got your black tank flush, very important, and an outside shower. Ladder is standard on the most of the Geo Pros, except for the 12-foot models. Backup camera prep. And the awning, we actually have the awning out right now. The awning goes out about 8 feet. It's a power awning. You also have the LED light strip and the porch light. A little bit more storage. So none of these are really huge storage compartments, but you have a lot of them. So
it goes up pretty tall too.
Yeah, and it'll add up. Yeah. And I can see the water filter cartridge over there. Gas electric water heater. You also have an outlet plug. Westlake tires. So last year they went from optional off-road package to standard off-road package. So all Geos are going to come with these tires. You got the gas line. This is the hookup for the griddle that would mount on that rail. Spare tire underneath. You have to access that spare. You can see underneath where you'd have to crank it down. And I love this on the Geos. Kind of wish all travel trailers had this option. They have the plastic tube for the sewer, the sewer line, the hose. All right, let's just check out these others. This is just a mirror of the other side. You can actually see much better in this case. Across there, little table goes next to the griddle, and just like the other side, you have this additional storage compartment. All right, Derek, let's head inside. All right, inside this 19 FDS, you're gonna see the front portion here, same type of configuration with the Murphy bed. We're gonna drop that in a second. We're gonna check out the storage compartments too, or cabinets, I should say. Dinette, same as what you get in the 19 FD. So this portion, really this part of the camper with the dinette and the Murphy bed portion, that's going to be the same as the 19 FD. The difference is going to be found mostly in this slide room. So you got the kitchen slide where you got the 12-volt fridge, that's standard, 4.5 cubic foot. Gas cooktop. Now in the 19 FDS, the only option available is the convection microwave. So you either get the regular microwave or the convection. They do not allow for a gas oven in this unit. I'm thinking it probably has to do with the fact that it's in the slide room. They just couldn't work it out in terms of the gas line. It's got to be the reason, because in the 19FD, you do have the option for the gas oven. So again, convection microwave in the FDS, gas oven or convection in the FD. I'm also seeing this new rack over the sink. Get a little bit of storage, but again, we're going to check out the storage all at once in a second. Got these. Most of the Geos have at least one hidden electrical outlet. And yeah, let's just check out the bathroom. So that's another great thing about this model. Get a real spacious bathroom, plenty of leg room, a little bit of counter space, not bad. A little bit of storage. Actually, it's a lot of storage. Big shower too. You can see, magnet holds it shut. Tall people, bigger head, and skylight. All right, Derek, let's take a look at some of the cabinets, see how much space we got. All right, so yeah, cabinet either side. That's actually for clothes. You can see where you can hang on top. Same thing on the other side. Yep. Okay. So you got that storage. You also have some counter space when the bed's down, shelf space, and above the dinette. So these, I think it's just all open. Yeah, there's no separation there. Looks like it goes to the next one. So it's 3 cabinets, but it's all one space. Top. Okay. Underneath, looks like they're fitting. You got the furnace under there. You got the converter over there. So really no storage space under there, I don't think. No, it's screwed down. So a little bit of storage under the sink. Yeah. Okay. And then another small one up top. Awesome. And we already checked out the bathroom. So you saw the storage in the bathroom. Yeah. So that's your storage in this unit. Okay, now let's put that bed down, see what it looks like. All right, the bed is down, very quick and easy, locks into place. This is a 74 by 54, I believe. And you also have the dinette converts to a bed. An adult could sleep here. What would you say, Derek? Like 6 feet?
Yeah, I'd say
maybe a 6 foot adult, or at least a 5 foot, 5.5 foot adult could definitely sleep here. So you could sleep 3 in this unit. All right, put the bed back up. And actually, you know what? Before we put the bed up, let's just check this out, where the outlets are. So we got outlet on the right. We got charging port. That's actually the inverter on and off switch on the left. Another plug in the back. That's 2. We had the one near the sink. Is there one near the dinette? Yes, right in the back. And there should be at least one in the bathroom. Oh, yep, there it is. Okay. Those are our plugs. All right, we're gonna bring that slide room in. All right, that's the slide in all the way. All important question is the bathroom. And yeah, so when the slide room is in all the way, bathroom is not accessible. You can still get to this dinette you can sleep on. You can get to the fridge, certainly. But yeah, bathroom, definitely not. You'd have to put the slide room out at least 6 inches to get into the bathroom. And that's not a big deal. You just put it out. You want to put it out just a little bit, just to show. So you just have to put it out just a little bit. That's good. As long as you're past there, now you can get in. The only thing is just make sure that you remember to put the slide room back in. Doesn't hurt anything to put it out a little bit. Just don't leave it out a little bit, because next time it rains, it will leak. You got to put it in all the way or out all the way for the gaskets to work properly. All right, this 19 FDS, this is a sold, a sold unit, but we have more on order, and certainly you can order one. Take about 5 months, almost 5.5 months now is the estimate. So we're looking at a fall delivery at this point in late April. All right, Derek, this is the 19 FDS Geo Pro. Check it out at Rousseau's RV.